Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video I will tell you how you can easily change the name of your Android device. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, also write comments and be sure to subscribe to the channel. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And now I will show you everything step by step. So, friends, first of all, you will need to open the settings on your device. To do this, swipe from the right side of the screen from top to bottom. Next, tap on the gear to go to Settings. After that, friends, you'll need to find either the My Phone section or the About section, depending on what you call that section. Click on it, and here you will see the name or the device name. Click on that, and you'll see a window like this, where you can rename your phone. You can just add something to the name that's already there. Or you can completely delete the name or the name of your device and write your own name again. Once you've made your changes, just click OK or Done. And as you can see, the device name will be changed immediately. Friends, this way you can easily and quickly change the name of your device on any Android. I hope this video helped you, that it was useful to you. Please do not forget to put your likes and comments after watching and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.